Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write over an image in Word. To start, open Word. In the Insert menu, click on Pictures, click on this device. Select the image to use and click Insert. Now with the image selected, click on Wrap Text, click Behind Text. After this, you can write directly on the image. If you need, you can apply formatting to this text. Then move the image and you will see that the text is on top of the image. If you need both the image and the text to move, in the Insert menu, click on Text Box. Select the desired text and enter the words you require. Adjust the text box and then move it on top of the image. After this, select the text box. In Shape format, click on Shape Outline and click on No Outline. After that, select the text box, press the Control key on your keyboard and click on the image. Then, right-click on the image and select Group. You can see that moving the image will also move the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.